Hey guys, this is Mark Garcia, and for today's project, we're going to make an automatic alcohol dispenser using Arduino. In this project, we're going to need one Arduino Uno board, one ultrasonic sensor, one relay channel module, one USB cable, one breadboard, one 9-volt DC water pump, a tube, jumper cables, a zip tie, and an old water tumbler. For the enclosure, we're going to need 2 shoe boxes, a cutter, and a glue gun. Now, let's begin. Just follow the schematics in your screen and you're good to go.
Hello, this is the voice of Justin Valerio. First, let's connect the jumper cables from the Arduino board to the breadboard. We are using the solderless breadboard here since it's much easier to work with compared to PCBs which require soldering. First, we will connect the ground pin and 5 volts pin from Arduino Uno board to our breadboard. Then, we will connect pin 4, 5, and 6 from Arduino Uno board to the breadboard. Connect the ultrasonic sensor module to female to male jumper cables. We will be using 4 here. Connect the relay channel module to female to male jumper cables. We will be using 3 here. Now plug echo to pin 4 and trigger to pin 5 of the ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard, the relay channel module to pin 6. Connect ultrasonic sensor and relay channel module to ground and positive. Make sure you connected it properly on the correct pin, else it might damage your module. Loosen the relay module screws using a screwdriver. Insert the jumper cable in the positive wire of the DC water pump, then fasten the screw. Connect the jumper cable to positive in the breadboard, while the DC pump to the ground. Plug your Arduino to your computer, then upload the program from your computer to the microcontroller. Test if it works. Place the plastic hose to the water pump. Tighten it using a zip tie. It will help in making a good seal. Then test it using a power bank. Insert the hose and wiring into the lid of the water tumbler. I disconnected first my wire from the Arduino. If your water tumbler doesn't have a hole in its lid or the hole is too small, you can drill it to make one. Put hot melt glue on the hole to seal it better. We need here 2 shoe boxes. I already cut a hole on one of the shoe boxes. Using your glue gun, apply an ample amount of hot melt glue to the boxes to join them. apply pressure to ensure they stick together nicely. Using your cutter, cut a hole on the axis for the wiring and hose. Put the microcontroller to the bags. Insert the hose and sensor to their cutouts.
Cut the excess hose.
Fill the tumbler with alcohol, then plug in a power supply or power bank. You can also use 12 volts battery. Since during the making of this video, all hardwares are closed and I don't have the spray paint, I would recommend you to spray some for aesthetics. That's it. We are now done with our automatic alcohol dispenser. We can now sanitize our hands without touching our dispenser.